Welcome friends. Today my topic is inverse variation. I already discussed about the variation and direct variation. Variations are of two types. That is inverse variation and direct variation. I already discussed about the direct variation. Today I am going to discuss about inverse variation. Two quantities are said to be in inverse variation if one of them varies with another in such a way that if one quantity increases, causing decrease in the other. Similarly, if one quantity decreases, causing increase in the other. For example, if x and y are two quantities, if x is increasing and y is decreasing, or x is decreasing, y is increasing. In such condition, x and y are said to be an inverse variation. Inverse variation. Inverse variations are applied to solve various types of mathematical problems like speed time problem and time taken to do work. When the work is fixed, but number of men and time are varying inversely with one another. If number of men increases, time will be less. If time taken too much, number of men will be required little. That means less number of men will be required. So, in mathematically, for example, inverse variation I can represent in tabular form. In tabular form, suppose x is speed, and this is time. Speed, x is speed in kilometer per hour. Speed kilometer per hour, and this is time taken. Suppose speed in 10 kilometer per hour to cover a distance. The distance remains constant, this fixed distance. Speed is 10 km per hour, time taken 4 hours. Again, speed is 20 km per hour, time taken 2 hours. Speed is 40 km per hour, time taken 1 hour. Speed is 80 km per hour, time taken half an hour. Time taken half an hour. That means when speed increases, time decreases accordingly. Mathematically, if we represent two quantities, x and y, I get if x, quantity x, that is speed, multiplied by quantity y, that is time taken, I get 10 into 4 or 20 into 2 or 40 into hour, 1 hour, or 80 into half an hour. All equals to I get 40. In all cases, whether it be this one or this one or this one or this one, I get 40, which is a constant number. Let it be k. Let it be k. K is called, I have already told you, constant of variation. Constant of variation. Constant of variation. So, mathematically, if x into y equals to x into y equals to a constant, then we can say x and y are in inverse variation. So x and y are in inverse variation when quantity x multiplied by quantity y, that is product of the two quantities x and y equals to a constant. We can say x and y directly, inverse variation. So now I can summarize two types of variation just mathematically. So two quantities x and y. We have two quantities x and y. If x by y equals to k, then it is direct variation. Sometimes you can say directly proportional, x directly proportional to that, or x is directly proportional to y, or direct variation, x by y equals to constant, and x into y equal to a constant, then it is clearly inverse variation. So these are two of the concepts of variation. Problems which are discussed in variations can be discussed using other alternative way, but generally variations are used and to solve different simple problems in a very easier method, applying very easier way of methods. Okay, I am concluding for the day. Thank you.